Alright, what is up, y'all? Today we're going to be going over my strategy, the distribution model that has had a 100% win rate this month, overall above a 90% win rate. Made me 22 grand at just the age of 17, and my Discord members have just been all cashing out using it. Well, I think we've had 0 losses this week, and I'm going to be going over it with you guys and how it's so powerful and how it's so simple. So, first, we're going to look at how market has been moving. So Asia session we always consider it accumulation. London manipulate. So obviously New York we're expecting distribution towards the downside, right? That's just how shit works all the time for some reason, right? AMD. All right. So let's first hop on the higher time frames. Move my face out of the way. Go on the 15-minute time frame. I won't go too high. All right. So what do we see? So first of all, do we see any sort of manipulation? Yes, we do. Market swept these highs. Okay, perfect. Swept these highs. We're expecting market to displace downwards, especially because H session is usually a lot less volatile, like this, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But here, apparently, it wasn't that. So, I'm a lot less volatile. I hope I said that. So, when we're looking at the model right here, what do we see? First, manipulation liquidity sweep. Next, we see that market is tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. We're expecting market to displace below that, and which looks like it's about to do. All right, so we can see that we have market displacing below these as well. Overall order flow, we beat PXL. Perfect. And we're just expecting order flows to go towards the dump right now. That's what we're expecting, especially because accumulation AMD. Let's say that. Okay. So, market just open. We want to wait for macro time. 9:45 or 9:40. 9:40 to 10:10. So what we're gonna do. Gonna hop on the 1 minute. We're just gonna let this shit play out a little bit. Okay. So exactly my exact bias is playing out. Macro opening. Alright, macro open here. So, okay. So we're already looking like we could probably enter. Why? Because market's going down. It's having this fair value gap. We're displacing. We'll go on the 1 second and just let it play out as if we're actually trading. Okay. Okay. So. So, displacement. We're displacing below. TP. Right here. For whatever the hell that is. These highs. Oh, actually, how much points that is? Because usually I say aim for 20, 30 points, which in this case we did. Perfect. Alright. Just let it play out now. Let me see. Go back to 1 second. We already had displacement here. So, oh shoot. Okay, see? TP hit. Perfect. Simple trade. Very, very easy. You could have waited for this rebalance or that one. Reason why I answered here, even though my market kind of swept back up, we move with speed and efficiency with this candle. So I just want market to displace a little more with this candle. That was my entry. Come back up, tap into here, and then reject down. Perfect entry. Cashing in $4,300. Good example of how you could enter the trades. Okay, let's go to the next day. Alright, so let's look here. What do we have? Market is, go to the 1 hour first. No, last time was 15 minutes, this time let's go 1 hour. Alright, so we can see that market just created turtle soup on the 1 hour. Okay, simple. Obviously rejecting these lows. A lot of liquidity here. Alright, so now let's actually look how market moved. H session, down, London session, on. So I'm assuming we're going to distribute towards the upside. And that's where the entirety of the distribution model comes from. So accumulate, manipulate, distribute. That's what we're expecting. As usual, turtle soup. Okay, perfect manipulation. And now we just want to find a good entry. So let's go to the 5-minute, and then let's mark out our highs. So if market displaces past these highs, we're assuming that we're going to just keep distributing towards the upside. Even better, we could even say market distributes past these London highs. Doesn't really matter. Either way, break through these highs, smart structure, break through these highs, we for sure just continue distributing. So we know where manipulation was moving. So let's see. Let's get to 9. Yep, okay, perfect. We already broke. Pre-macro, we already broke through London's highs, market structure, okay. We're rejecting a little, macro opens. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute, or let's go 10 seconds actually. Boom. So, nope. This place was upside. Your entry could have been here. We go back to 1 minute. Okay. Your entry could have been here. If I go back a little, kind of missed it. Where there was, okay, you know what, it doesn't really matter. Where there was this displacement of above these highs right here, you could take a trade right here. It doesn't really matter. Let's do it. Let's click buy. Let's set our long position. Targeting 30 points. Where's my stop loss going to be? We'll set stop loss consequent encroachment of this rejection block. Going to be aiming a little more than 30 points here, but I guess permissible in this case. Let's see. Take profit there. Alright, don't in my head. Stop loss there. Okay. Here we go. 1 minute. And let's put this out 30 seconds. Okay. Accumulation. Struggling to get below those highs. Alright. Turtle soup. Perfect. We won't get below those lows. You could even put your stop loss back up here if you really want. I don't recommend it. But it's literally perfect because we're in consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, so there's nothing to worry about here. Yep, as I predicted, and TP hit. Perfect. You could aim for a little less than that here, low key. Your stop loss could have been down the bottom of this fair value gap, but just want to show you guys how good this model is, right? So very, very simple video today, guys, going over how you can be cashing out using the distribution model with backtesting. So I really hope y'all enjoy it. This has been cashing out. Everyone join up. I'm gonna be making a psych video tomorrow. Today's video very simple. 22K up in the month. I don't know if I'm trading anymore this month, but we'll see. Catch y'all. Love y'all, boys. Peace out.